2 Scar VXF 15s. I'm running a Sundown 8K FSB 8K.
Yep.
With a JS 250 amp alternator.
Need a box design? Visit Car Stereo FX Designs and use discount code JacobViral there, as well as at Sky High Cardio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
And come over and check my car out. You videoed it at Slam Fest.
I remember you had the...
Do you remember me?
Yep, with the woodwork.
The inside of it, got all the braces.
Okay.
I ain't know if you have the video.
Yeah, I like to see the back. Oh, nice.
Yeah, look. I just put it together yesterday morning.
Okay. So you got your trunk for the amp rack and then the wall build inside the cabin.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you just finished it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, finish building. It's going next.
Yes. Got it. You got it installed. Yep. All right. Work in progress, I'm sure. Yep. Want me to come over? I'm right here. Nice. So you built this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Watching your videos.
Oh yeah? Really? Oh, I'm glad to help, man. You learn as you go with all the builds you see.
Yeah. Yeah.
I like that you got your doors solid too. Yeah.
Yeah.
Got a blue theme to it?
Yeah.
So
my son loves Spider-Man, so I had my brace fell down the way.
Yeah.
I had
oh, I see. You had one between the subs upward. Yep.
I had Spider-Man hanging from it.
Really? Sweet.
Yeah.
So what's your name and what's in here real quick?
My name is
Something pretty good, whatever.
my name is Konnie, and I got 2 Scar VXF 15s. I'm running a Sundown 8K FSB 8K.
Yep.
With a JS 250 amp alternator.
Okay.
And a bunch of AGM bags, well, 3 AGM bags back there.
All right. What is your port tuned to? Do you know? I mean, I know there's no loading wall yet.
I don't know.
So you don't know it's tuned to? You still gonna do that?
Yeah.
Fine tune the front?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. All right. Ready for it, man. Demo.
Triple D with A, baby.
Wow, man. Nice work.
Thank you.
Your roof is pretty solid.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I put 3/4 wood and I put some spray foam in it. Yeah.
Yes. So that made it really solid.
Yeah.
Pushes the cabin pressure more on the body. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you for the demo, man. What was your name one more time?
It's Konnie.
Connie.
Yeah.
All right, man.
All right.
Nice to meet you, man. Thanks for watching.
Hey, I told my wife before I left the house, I said, look, I have to find JacobViral.
Oh, yes, sir.
I seen you yesterday, but I couldn't get to you. But
Yes, sir.
I had to find you.
Yeah, you found me, Connie.
Yep.
All right, man.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.